Nothing's no longer a fledgling tech brand, with second-generation devices already starting to hit the shelves. In addition to the recently launched Ear 2 Buds, the brand plans on releasing its smartphone sequel this year, in the summer, in fact. Nothing has also now teased the above image, too, showing what seems like a less transparent device with a red LED. July is the most likely Nothing Phone 2 release date we think, given that the Phone 1 launched at that point last year. It's a relatively quiet time for product launches, so makes sense. We also know that this year's phone will get a full US launch unlike the Phone 1. Nothing's Phone 2 is set for a minor facelift, too, as hinted at in the above image. The specs suggest there'll be a whole new front display, with support for faster refresh rates. It'll also come with Full HD Plus resolution. 91 Mobiles reckons it spotted Phone 2 and its specs on the Bureau of Indian Standards government site. It's similar to other tech leaks in the past that have been revealed through similar regulations. Nothing appears to have settled on some of the main features for the follow-up handset, and is ramping things up a notch. Thanks to an announcement at MWC 2023, we know that Phone 2 will pack the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Because the name of the exact chipset had in theory been under wraps, though had been leaked by Qualcomm, Nothing then reconfirmed it as if it were new news. It's a big step up from the 778G Plus that Phone 1 rocks. That means it doesn't have the best of the best, but is the next best thing. So it provides a pretty good bang for buck. Nothing says that app opening speed on Phone 2 is twice as fast compared as with Phone 1, with an impressive 80% overall performance improvement. But alongside this new chipset will also be a spec option with 12GB of RAM. Also inside is supposedly a 5000 mAh battery, which could support up to 67 watts charging. And on top of all of this, the cameras are set for a bump as well. It seems like there will be 50 megapixel sensors on the rear, but it's unclear how this camera array might work. And over on the front, you should expect a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. From these specs, it seems like the Nothing Phone 2 will boast quite a few performance upgrades. It'll make the device an enticing update for Phone 1 users, and for other Android fans. Everything we know about Nothing Phone 2 is on your screen. We recommend watching this video where we talk about an interesting folding smartphone from Motorola. Subscribe so as not to miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, see you.